In a possible sign from above, lightning has struck the Vatican just hours after Pope Benedict XVI announced his surprising resignation. Footage shot shows the top of St. Peter's Basilica being struck by lightning during a thunderstorm over the Vatican. The resignation has caused a stir around the world, and now it seems that nature itself has something to say about it. Pope Benedict XVI is the first pope to resign in over 700 years. He said the reason for the resignation is that he no longer had the mental or physical strength to do the job. Now the world is left waiting and wondering who his successor will be. Sally Turner for IB Times TV.